Hello students, welcome to English class. We are reading the first chapter of English book Moments of class 9th, and the chapter name is The Lost Child, written by Mulkraj Anand. And in this chapter we come to know there was a boy and his parents who were going to the village fair, and in the fair boy demands number of things, but at the same time he thought that his parents would not allow him to buy those things. And at last, when he saw a roundabout in the fair and wished to go for the roundabout, and when he made a bold request to his parents, suddenly he found that there was no reply from his parents side, and he come to know that he has lost his parents. So he searched his parents here and there, but unfortunately he did not find them in the fair. So finally there was a man who met with the boy, and the man offered him to go for the roundabout, but the boy refused at once, and he only said that I want my parents, I want my father and mother. Okay. So after some time, the man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the saying, Cobra, listen to that nice music, child, he pleaded. But the child shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double pitched strain, I want my mother, I want my father. Okay, after some time, the man headed, the man took the boy towards the snake charmer. It was the same snake charmer uh, to whom the boy met in the at the first time in the same fair few hours before. And the boy asked him or offered him to hear those very music, but this boy refused that very music, and he only shouted with double pitched sound that I want my father and I want my mother, right? Then the man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloon would distract the child's attention and quieten him. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. Then after some distance, there stood the same man who had balloon at that time, and the boy sorry this person asked the boy to have those rainbow balloon, but the boy refused at the same time, and he only told that I want my mother and I want my father. Students, it was the same person to whom the boy met a few minutes or few hours in the same fair, right? Then the man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate where the flower seller sat. Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put around your neck? The child turned his nose away from the basket and reiterated his sob, I want my mother, I want my father. So, after some time, in order to divert the attention of the boy, the man took him toward the gate where there stood a person who was selling the flowers and garland. And the boy this sorry person offered him to have those garland, but the boy refused at the same time, and he only demanded his mother and his father, right? So, thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets, the man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweet would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. So finally, the man took the boy towards the sweet shop and asked him to buy some sweets, but the child refused to buy those sweets, although Barfi was his best, as we already discussed in the same story. And at the same time, he only demand to meet his parents, and he said this by sobbing that I want my mother and I want my father. So in this chapter we come to conclude that nothing is important than one's parents, right? And this is all about the story written by Mulkharaj Anand, The Last Child. Okay, and we will discuss the questions in the next video.